Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lainey. Today I have a really freaking excited video for you guys because we're shopping on Whatnot. So I already did the shopping, so let's go back to those clips so you can see how it goes and get a little taste for it. Okay, I can't even like talk about how I look right now. The auctions tend to happen just like a little bit later at night. It looks super late right now, but Lucy's just asleep taking her nap. This is when I can like do the auction, so I look crazy, but whatever. I'm currently watching like Whatnot. I'm watching this is Southern Girly 2K. She's starting everything off at like $5 and she's super cute, like Y2K stuff. We're gonna watch this auction for a little bit and see if there's anything. A lot of the times, so yeah, this super cute midi. See this one, like all the auctions start at $1. So let's just get shopping.
This one's like more, it's not super vintagey. It's probably, yeah, it's like Y2K-ish, you know. But this one is true vintage, so. This one's 16, and so I could do this one for 8, so let me know.
So this person has it, so she shows the item, you ask how much it is, and then she'll tell you, and then you can like decide if you want it or not. And it's really cool because it's live, so it's not like on other websites where you have to comment and say like, where's the damage, or would it fit this size, what are the measurements, and wait for someone to answer. Like, they'll answer immediately, which is really cool. And you can see, you know, texture and how it's flowing and all that kind of stuff. So I just got this really cute red slip dress, and I've been really into like the sheer, so. Okay, wait, she's running it right now, so
Made in Cambodia.
We'll see if I get it. Yeah, that's adorable. I want it. Nobody else is bidding on it. There's 5 seconds left. Let's see if we get it.
But this is just so cute in the back.
Yay, I won.
I was thinking.
Cool, so I just won my first piece. I'm gonna follow her too because I'm very into the like true vintage, because that's the one thing I find really hard to thrift at the thrift store. A lot of the time now it's like I'll find Shein at the thrift store all the time, and like true vintage, like 70s and that kind of decade wear you don't really find. So I'm excited about that. And then also when it's not like a bidding kind of style, you know, on other apps, people run it way more expensive from the get-go, and you can't get deals like this. I just won my first auction. I don't need any more slip dresses, so I'm gonna get out of hers and maybe I'll come back later when she's running something else. I can't believe how I look right now. I feel like this looks like a streamer setup, but this is the life of a sleepy baby. You know what there is a lot of on here as well? We've got like Free People, Zara, Forever 21. I like more true vintage. 60s and 70s night. Oh, show starts in 4 minutes, so I'll just wait and hope that Lucy doesn't wake up before then. I also just want to go on, I can hear Lucy starting to wake up. Bags and accessories. You can do like luxury bags, and the pricing on here is insane. They literally price these designer bags so cheap at the get-go, but the thing about these shows is these people have a ton of stock, and when I'm screen recording my phone, it's gonna blow up. Like, my phone can't take the screen recording. So I think I'm just gonna watch some TV while I'm browsing on Whatnot, and I'm gonna get some stuff. I'm gonna shop around, and then you guys can see the haul at the end of the video, and maybe I can like try it on and style things for you guys. Okay, so I did a lot more shopping besides that, obviously. My best times to watch these lives and bid and all those things was when I was like breastfeeding, so I wasn't able to film. I am very much addicted. Whatnot gave me a credit to shop for this video, which was insanely nice of them and so much fun. I obviously spent the whole credit, and I'm gonna show you what I bought this haul, but I've already spent my own money and like gone back on the app and started shopping more because it really is addicting, and it's so much fun to like tune into these lives. And the community on Whatnot is so freaking cute and sweet and nice. I was actually shopping on, I don't know if she's a subscriber, but she like watches my videos. If you're watching this, hey. I was shopping on hers, and you know, my name pops up, Lainey Ozark. I watch your videos, and it was just really cute to interact in that way as well. So if you guys want to shop my closet, I'm gonna style a few pieces at the end of this video that I will be selling on Whatnot. January 20th, I'll be going live on Whatnot and selling so many pieces. I think I have like 40 pieces that I'm selling, and the pieces either start at $1 or $5, and I'm really excited for you guys to be able to shop and interact with you guys in a new way. If you guys want $10 literally free to shop on Whatnot, you can use it on my live stream. Use this link when you sign up. Yay, very exciting. And I got so many of these pieces for $1, which is insane. So I was able to get so much stuff. Let's get into the haul because it's insane. The first thing I got is the shirt I'm wearing. I've recently rewatched Nana since I have a lot of time sitting in my house now. That just makes me re-obsessed with Vivienne Westwood. So I got this little baby tee off of Whatnot, and I can't believe it. Like, it was such a steal. It was, I think I got it for around like 50 bucks, and it's the perfect, cutest little baby tee. And I'm very much into black right now because breastfeeding. So this is the cutest shirt ever. I literally feel like I'm out of the anime Nana. And then also this Vivienne Westwood cardigan. It's super cute how it cinches at the bottom, like all the buttons, and then it's got the orb on it. This was from the same seller. We've got the red tag on it. Like, insane. These were such good prices compared to like what I normally find vintage with Vivienne Westwood for on like eBay and stuff like that. Okay, let's get into, her name's Southern Girl something. I'm gonna put it right here, her at, because she was the one who actually knew who I was, which was just really, really cool and like special. But then I was buying like all of her stuff and I felt like I was being annoying. I was like, can you run this? Can you list this? Like, I'm ready. I want to bid on it. I want to buy that. And she was so sweet. Everybody's packages came so quick. I don't know. It's a good community on there. But I have tried on something baby pink that I'm actually going to be selling on my Whatnot auction, and then I was like, I don't want to sell this, but I'm gonna sell it for you guys. But I'm so obsessed with baby pink right now. So it was this like velour track jacket with this really cute high mock neck. It almost gives that like moto jacket vibe, but instead it's like velvet velour, and it's got the really cutie rhinestone heart on it. I think this with like my Peachy Den Mimi pants will be so freaking cute, and like my baby blue little kitten heels I have. Like, I have such a vision for this top. I don't know if I'm gonna do this as a try on because I kind of want to like style all these pieces in a different video, and you know, trying things on for me, it takes a long time right now. So, but this is like definitely Y2K actually. This girl's at Southern Girl or whatever it is, I'm sorry, she sells like all Y2K stuff. So then I also got from her, one of these pieces was $1, I know, and the other two I think were $5. Really cute like paisley long midi or like maxi dress. And the reason I liked it is I'm really into these like asymmetrical hems right now. Knee-high boots is really, really cute, and you can kind of make it work in like the fall and spring with like a jacket and stuff like that. But then also in the summertime, you know, with sneakers, sandals, or kitten heels, it's just really, really cute. I think this is going to be adorable, and I love the color. You guys know these like kind of mesh overlay dresses are my favorite, and anything midi or maxi I'm obsessed with. And then this one, just because like normally I wouldn't buy such simple stuff like vintage apps or whatever, or resale apps. It feels so expensive, but these prices, I'm telling you guys, they're not like any other app. The prices are insane. Like, you will go crazy and you'll get so much more bang for your buck compared to like, I'm obsessed with this app. Okay, so I got this little Gap tube top from her as well. And it's this really cute, like thicker sweater material. It reminds me of like the Orson Iris tube tops, just because it's more like sweatery. And I'm excited for this because I think my tube tops, this says it's a small, but it seems a lot bigger than my other tube tops because, like I've said 100 times, my body is definitely a different size now. And then just how this one is like, can you tell the top is not like straight? It's like a curve. It's cute. This is from a different seller, and this was the only thing I got from her. It's this Betsy Johnson mesh polka dot maxi dress. It looks like, oh my god, like it's insanely cute. This was 25 bucks, I'm pretty sure, which is like expensive, but it's not at all, especially for Betsy Johnson. I love this ruffle at the bottom. I think that this would be such a fun dress to dress up with like knee-high boots and a fur jacket in the wintertime, but then also in the summer, just pairing it with sneakers like Sambas. Definitely what I'll be doing. In my little basket bag, I'm so excited to try this on. I haven't tried on any of this stuff. This one's from a different seller. It's kind of a similar feel. The brand's MSK, and it's just this super, again, asymmetrical bottom maxi skirt, and I'm just so into these bottom, like these skirts and dresses with this style bottom. I think that they're gonna be really, really trendy. They kind of already are, you know? So I'm excited to style this one. And this one is like a velour or velvet feeling. So it's either like a winter, not really a summer kind of skirt. So knee-high boots for sure. Can you believe like how giant this haul is? This is from a different seller. I think this was the first thing I bought and what I bought on screen with you guys. Little see-through mesh slip dress. And it's got the like really cute bow on the front. And then the back has 3 bows down the back. Like, are you kidding me? I love how bright this red is. I think wearing like either a slip underneath it so it's not see-through, or just a bra and underwear in the summertime will be really, really cute. I'm excited to try and style this. I love it. I'm so into red. Then this was a different seller again. This one just, again, is like baby pink and what I really wanted. I was like just obsessed with the baby pink and whatever, looking for that. So this looks like a little vintage undershirt. It's got lace hem with the little bow, and it's like a quarter length sleeve. It's very much like ballet girl vibes, but I thought it was too precious to pass up. And again, I think it was around $5. So I'm so excited about this guy. Oh, I can't wait to style these. Then I actually have 2 more things from Vivienne Westwood, which is just insane. But I found these 2 little socks. This is a black pair. These are 10 bucks a piece. It looks like they're like originally from Japan, but they just have the little orb on them. I got them in black, and I also got them in this kind of, they look orange on camera, but they're more like a camel color. I felt like these with my blue shoes would be really, really cute. They had more colors too, and now I'm like wishing I got more colors. Look at that. That is so cute. I can't wait to style these as well, because everyone and their mother is super into socks with sandals, or not socks with sandals, heels and sandals right now. So that is definitely going to be a super, super cute look with these little socks. They're so cute. Okay, and then my last item. This one is actually new with tags, and this one she ran for $1. I know she ran this for $1 because I thought it was insane. BB, new with tags. I feel like everybody's into these like kind of floret roses on items right now, or on clothes right now. So I found this like ruched, she found floral tube top, and it's actually a size large, which I'm not normally a size large on top, but because it's structured and not really stretchy, I think it's gonna fit my top really, really well. And I don't think my other like kind of structured tops, it's got like boning in it, are gonna fit my new top. I'm very excited about this as well, and I can't wait to style it. Like dress it down with just jeans, like super baggy, light wash jeans, and kitten heels I think will be really, really cute, or pairing it like super dressed up with a maxi skirt and knee-high boots and the whole shebang. But that's everything I got from Whatnot. I have so many more packages coming, and I have like a really big haul I'm gonna do in a couple days as well, of stuff that I like got from Christmas and a while back, and just stuff I haven't shown you guys yet, so stick around for that. Let's get into me styling some pieces that I'm gonna be selling to you guys on Whatnot.
Shanti, chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you rock for me, oh baby? Can you take it to the top for me? Just wanna love you, thinking over me, oh baby. Can you take control for me? Just wanna love you, thinking. I think I like how your body feels next to me. When you're kissing me, oh baby, when you're loving me, I can't describe what I want. as long as I